Speaker, opposition with a few
No
comments.
vote, please proceed.
Speaker, this is a selective service mandate to the University of Hawaii, to the state government, to the county government, that if someone is not registered to vote, I registered for the draft. This is the draft process, which I'm not against. We have it in place. But it says you at the university and all the HRD offices throughout the state of Hawaii have to be the babysitters for this federal mandate that's been in process for years. Even though it doesn't have women yet, it's got all males have to report at the age of 18. The problem I have with it is that the logic that we were given in the Finance Committee is that 23% of those who get a 23% of the population, the millennials, are not getting driver's license. Therefore, we're going to catch them at the University of Hawaii. Now, go figure. If you don't get a driver's license, you're more likely to go to college. I don't get the logic of, and using already resources that are scarce at the University of Hawaii to put this mandate on them, which otherwise the feds should do. And the feds who have this draft and have been implementing it say, well, we don't really enforce it. So they're really using us to enforce something that they should be doing. They don't even give a slap on the hand for those who don't register. So I think it's good to cooperate with the feds, but for this purpose and for this reason, I think this is a bad policy for the state of Hawaii. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you very much, Representative. Further discussion, Representative Pouha.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Also, being a member of the Finance Committee, one of the things I noticed, to add on to the good representative from Hawaii Kai, is that we may be starting down a slippery slope, and that we might be, it might be difficult to draw the line as to where the selective service can go within state entities in order to obtain this process.
Just a quick clarification, Representative. Reservations or in opposition?
I will go with strong reservations. Okay. So it's just, I'm concerned that those who do conduct the drafting service, that they have other less intrusive means to accomplish this. And I feel like they haven't explored and vetted that properly. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much, Representative. Further discussion, members? Representative Kobayashi.
I'd like to join my colleague from Hawaii Kai. No vote.
So ordered.
We have not had a volunteer. We have had a volunteer army for more than 40 years, and were that not the case, I would vote for this bill. I would note that approximately a quarter of men do not register. That by itself is a failure. But these people who are not registering are people who have, shall we say, some difficulties. And for the state of Hawaii to further compound their difficulties by not allowing them to go to the University of Hawaii to get a state job, I think is overkill. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Representative. Further discussion, Representative Tupola.
A no vote, Mr. Speaker.
No vote, so ordered. Please proceed.
Comments. Reading through the UH testimony, seeing as though we're trying to hold UH accountable, help them with their spending, they're asking that this is an additional burden. They don't know if they'll be able to implement it, staffing, holding all the verification forms of all of the people going through. So if UH isn't able to do it and this is mandating them to do it, then I think we should rethink it if we're trying to help UH be more fiscally responsible. Let's not burden them with more tasks. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Representative. Further discussion, members. Representative LoPresti.
Reservations.
So ordered. Thank you very much, Representative. Representative Oshiro.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'll be voting no, and may the record reflect that I adopt the words of the previous speakers from Kapahulu, and also the words of the Minority Leader Emeritus from Hawaii Kai.
So ordered.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Representative. Further discussion, members. Representative Jordan.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I've changed my mind. I'll be moving from a reservations to a no vote.
No vote.
Thank you very much.
So ordered. Thank you very much, Representative. Any further discussion? Representative Pouha.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. If I could have the same request as the
Changing your WR to no.
Yes, please.
We got it. So ordered. Thank you very much, Representative. Representative San Buenaventura.
Hearing the speeches from the various representatives, I also vote no. Thank you.
No for San Buenaventura. So ordered. Thank you very much. Further discussion. Representative Takumi.
No vote.
So ordered. Further discussion. Members. Representative Thielen.
No vote, please.
So ordered. No vote for Thielen. Further discussion, members.